Hello and welcome to the Slow English Listening for Beginners. Today's topic is my house, मेरा घर. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Listen carefully and try to catch the main idea. कोई मसला नहीं अगर आप इसको मुकम्मल ना समझ सकें. गौर से सुनें और इसमें से मेन आइडिया तलाश करें ताकि आप किसी के भी सामने अपने घर को खूबसूरती से इंग्लिश में बयान कर सकें. Let's get started. My house is small but very beautiful. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen and 1 bathroom. My room has a bed, a study table and a cupboard. The living room has a sofa, a table and a television. We sit there and watch TV together. The kitchen is clean and my mother cooks tasty food there. There are many windows in the house, so it is bright and airy. In front of the house, there is a lovely garden with flowers and plants. I water the plants every day. My house is always neat and peaceful. I love my house because it makes me feel happy, safe and comfortable. After watching this video, now you will tell me about your house and answer me this simple question that how many rooms are there in your house? आपके घर में कितने कमरे हैं? Leave the answer in the comment box. Thank you and see you soon.